Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to a new week of class and a new month. It's May! Yay! So let's talk about what we're doing this week. Sorry, everyone in my house got a cold over the weekend, which is very fun. Not COVID. We all got tested. We're fine there. And my husband and I both have both of our doses. Got our shots. So we're good. Just a cold, but still colder the pits. So if my voice sounds wonky, apologies. So this week, we are working on writing descriptions. You've honed your APA formatting skills. I've glanced through those documents. I'll be grading them this week. Overall, very impressed with your ability to use APA format in paraphrasing and summarizing and quote usage to avoid plagiarism. We are off to a great start. That's really promising. So excellent work so far. We'll be writing descriptions, technical descriptions this week. So we're going to be spending our time on that. And we do have a peer review this week. And that's a bit of a departure from the norm for us. We haven't had those yet. So this is an exciting opportunity to help our peers out in terms of the technical description. And sometimes folks have mixed responses to peer review. So I just want to reiterate that while it may not be our favorite kind of assignment, it is actually a very valuable kind of assignment. There's a lot of educational psychologists who hone in on researching how different things help people to learn, right? We talked about that at the beginning of the quarter, how some things make students more successful than others. Time management and the ability to network and ask questions when you need help is one of the areas of research that these folks look into. Another area is peer review, whether it has benefit or not. And they found it has a great deal of benefit because not only are you helping a partner out, you're helping someone be successful by making suggestions on how they can make their work better. This process of critically reading someone else's work makes us more critical readers of our own work as well. And so we become better editors for ourselves in addition to helping our partners out. So it's really a win-win kind of situation. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to be uploading your document, your technical description, as a Word doc to this discussion board by Thursday at midnight. Then you're going to use this peer response form and respond to the person who posts directly below you. So your post is here, you respond to the person directly below you, and so on and so forth until you get to the bottom of the list. If you are the very last person to post, you're going to review the very first person who posts. That way everyone gets a review and we're good to go. So you'll respond to your classmate and attach a completed peer response form. Now this form walks you through the assignment and in some detail and asks you to make sure that their document is on the right track. And sometimes we feel like we just need to say nice things. You know, like, oh, that's really good. You're a great writer. Bravo. Like little pats on the back. Good job. And while that might make us feel good on the inside, it doesn't make our paper any better, right? So from a place of love and friendship, I want you to just be absolutely brutal and awful and mean and just like rip them a new one on this peer review, because that's how we get better, right? If you invest in this peer review, you give them some really good critical feedback, they're able to make changes and make their document better, which will get them a better grade. If you just write, good job, you're basically saying, I'm not willing to invest any time in your success and I don't care if you pass the class. So like, suck it, loser. And that's not really what we want to say to our classmates, not even in subtext. So fill out the peer review, fill it out in detail, be critical, and provide some suggestions for improvements. And that's the peer review assignment. If we go into our calendar, you'll see that the big assignment, we have one big assignment at least, each week is the technical description paper. This is 100 points. And once again, I've got that external website available for you to help you do well here. Just ignore the stuff where it's talking about peer review because we're doing that in the discussion boards instead. In a past iteration of this class, I tried a different way. The discussion boards work best. So just ignore this. The website's not letting me edit it right now. So here's the guidelines. Here's a sample technical description, and I've got more samples for you in the modules tab. So please make sure to check out those modules because these samples can be very, very helpful in knowing how to design your document. So you give some general description, You talk about the different pieces. You include visuals that help us understand what the document is and how it functions. Make sure you're formatting all of those images in APA style, which includes a subheader here. And if you didn't create the image yourself, it needs to have a citation as well. With that citation would look like this right here. And then it's also included in your references. Lots of good examples here. So please use the templates. They will help you be successful in these assignments. And this website will help you be successful too. Peer review is not in class physically. It's in class, as in Canvas, in the discussion boards. So I will change that wording here in just a second in our class shell. But that's the technical description. You can see our rubric, how it's going to be graded. That peer review worksheet is based on different categories in the rubric to help you get your best chance at a solid score. And the modules tab does have helpful things in the technical description section. So here we go. Technical description paper, all this folder, so much helpful stuff. So please check it out. We've got samples, we've got instructions, a recorded lecture on the technical description. This will probably be your most helpful resource. It is me talking more, so that's always fun. But I do walk you through the process in great detail. I walk you through all of the examples in great detail, and the video is only 10 minutes long. So it's really not terrible, and it will help you be successful in the assignment. So just make sure to check it out. Good stuff for you here. So watch that. And that's what we're doing this week. We're writing a technical description paper. We're peer reviewing it on Thursday, and you're turning in that final draft on Sunday at midnight. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Otherwise, have a great week, guys. Enjoy this beautiful sunshine and stay safe and healthy out there.